Welcome, here I've got Realme 6 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's move to more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here. As you can see, it gives us access to these three buttons, and this from the right is the settings button. So when we tap on this we get access to advanced camera settings, and from here let's move to the photo settings. Here at the last position we have the watermark, so when we tap on this we get access to it, and we can, by using this button here, we turn on and turn off the phone model watermark with the author. So here we can add our own custom watermark, for example hard reset. And also we have here watermark with date and time, so by tapping on this we can also turn it on and turn it off like that. So for now I'm going to keep turning it on to show you how it looks like on the real picture. And let's go back to the camera and take a photo. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom to the preview, and as you can see here we have the watermark with the this device. So this is the Realme watermark with shot by hard reset, and at the right we have the watermark with date and time. So this is how it looks like here. And of course, to turn it off we go back to the settings in the right corner, tap on the settings here, tap on the watermark again, and by using these buttons we can easily turn it off. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.